Well, Tracy and Jackie, we can now show you how one case in Philadelphia turns into many, and it happens fast. Contact tracers shared with us today the place that you are most likely to catch COVID in Philly, and also some places that are safe. Philadelphia's health department has more than 100 COVID-19 detectives.
There are some folks who report 0 close contacts. There are some folks who will report 20 or more.
Sarah Grossman was among the first. And for the first time, Philadelphia's Department of Health is giving us a peek at her team's findings. Contact tracers tracked 9 infections back to one teenager named Ben. Ben goes to a religious service where he's unknowingly exposed to the virus. He goes home and infects his mom. Together, they visit Ben's grandparents, who get sick and infect their other grandchildren. Before they show symptoms, they go shopping, where they infect people from another household.
In the end, it infected 9 people out of 15 people, encompassing 4 different households.
The city's health commissioner says this case is common.
As much as we tend to worry about getting this infection from strangers or out on the street, the greatest risks really are at home and with the people we trust.
Contact tracers like Grossman work with airlines to get passenger manifests. They use government records to find phone numbers. It's a lot of phone calls. Each of the city's contact tracers spends about 6 hours of their day on the phone. Are you always able to get in touch with them?
We are not always able to get in touch with everyone, but we are able to make attempts for over 90% of the people that we have in our system.
Grossman says Philly's contact tracers connect with 2 out of every 3 people they trace.
On average right now, we see around 3 contacts per case.
That means if 100 new infections show up, there are around 300 new people who may have been exposed.
We also check on them every day to see whether they've developed symptoms and how they're doing, and if there are any other ways that we can support them during the quarantine period.
And while family transmission, those who you know and who you're comfortable with, who you may live with, is right now the most common, the Philadelphia Department of Health, they're looking to see if that changes, especially as the weather gets colder. We go to more indoor dining, and kids may start to go back to some semblance of normalcy inside schools. Tracy?
All right, Mitch. Mitch Blacher reporting. Thanks.